Ngai. Yende mutumia wandi no ndiro wandi kwa Ngai.
Muthi wa gatano ga kiumia kihituku niguo ndeto ya maithori ya itua ria kuraga Margaret Nduta Macharia muiritu wa miaka 37 uria wirikanite ati ni anyitirwo na dawa cia kurevia bururi-ini wa Vietnam yakinyeire andu a nyumba yake na makiihurwo ni kiahana kigiriko kinene. Nyumba ino ikiambiriria gwetha uteithio kuri thirikari umuthi mubunge Sabina Chege akiamukiria makaya ma bamiri ino na kuria kamiti ya ugitiri utuiria na maundu ma nanja wa bururi kuheana ndumiriri igie ndeto ino.
Urgent measures that the government is taking to intervene and assist Ms. Margaret Nduta Macharia, a Kenyan arrested sentenced to death in Vietnam, and I understand, Mr. Speaker, that the appeal was meant to be done by 12th of March this year.
Sabina nioritie kamiti ino itaririe bunge kana honge iria ikuruhanite na maundu ma nanja wa bururi ni ituiritie gitumi kia muiritu uyu gucenjanirio muhuko wake riria akinyire bururi-ini wa Ethiopia ona kana thirikari ni iteithiriirie bamiri ino kwaraniria na mwana wao ari bururi-ini wa Vietnam na kana Kenya kuri na watho wa kurumagirira Kenya aingi na makiria mbeu njithi aria marathie gwetha wira mabũrũri-ini ma nanja.
Steps the relevant agencies have taken to investigate the allegations of swapping of Ms. Margaret Nduta Macharia luggage in Addis Ababa while on transit to People Democratic Republic of Laos. And 3, measures that the government has put in place to facilitate the family of Ms. Margaret Nduta in reuniting with her and prevent similar incidents from occurring in the future.
Spika wa bunge Moses Wetangura nioritie muikarari giti wa kamiti ino Abdullahi Bashir kuheana ndumiriri kuria Bashir augite ati bunge ni irathie rutha na kwa uguo kamiti ino no iheanire riboti nginyaniru ya cokereria undu uria Sabina areganite naguo akiuga undu uyu batie gwikwo na ihenya kuona thiko cia gucokia cira riko ni thiru na kuria kamiti ino yaranirie na ministry ya maundu ma nanja wa bururi na ihenya o uria kwahoteka.
The committee should reach out to the ministry immediately because, Mr. Speaker, this is a death sentence that is facing a Kenyan. It is urgent. The deadline, I think, was yesterday, 12th. So even if they would not deliver the message, I know because you're going on recess, I would just request that this is immediately passed to the Ministry of Foreign Affairs so that they can start handling the matter and especially reaching out to the family who are on distress, Mr. Speaker.
Mwari wa nyina na Nduta uria ni amahatha Rosemary Wambui ni agirikite akihinyiriria uria mwari wa nyina amuhurire thimu ari kiharo-ini kia ndege kia Addis Ababa Ethiopia na akimwira ati ni acenjanirio muhuko wake akiuga mwari wa nyina ahuthikire tamburi ya igongona
Na witu moyo wake oratorerwo thiko ni mundu wathe no Ngai aramutarera guikara miaka mingi. Riu akija ni magurira suitcase ikirehwo bagi yake ikioywo igithie Ethiopia ku airport yake ya Ethiopia gwituke kumikora mbere no haha uguo ni eritwo atiriri we wakinya ari ati kwi muiritu uri guteithia bagi.
Thirikari ni ibatie gukorwo ikiiga mikakati kana watho wa kurumagirira mundu wothe urauma guku bururi-ini wathie Saudi Arabia, wathie Vietnam iyo kana wathie Iraq kana wathie China kou urathie ri ni ndi thirikari ya Kenya ribatie gukorwo na record iyo na ngakurumirira ng'ania ni aumire guku bururi-ini wa Kenya ni akinyire wakiigwa kamuhwa ngunyira niguo ngururirie na guthererie tondu gaka ni Kanyakohoro kuma metu ni ndigi maguru ritwa riakwa ni Sera Wambui wa Mwangi.